Starting around 15 August 2023, Star Atlas DAO especially is exchanging at 11 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.02% in every practical sense, most recent 1 hour in a sort of large manner in opposition to prevalent thinking. Polis actually basically has a decently really all-out market cap of $17,348,309. With the 24-hour exchanging volume of $229,331, or so they for the most part in every practical sense thought in a kind of significant way. This in every way that really matters makes Star Atlas DAO, Polis, truly positioning at 612 in the cryptographic money market in a by and large, for the most part significant way in a significant manner. In the event that you generally truly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally in a real sense is the Star Atlas DAO cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Star Atlas DAO in a real sense most certainly be truly worth in 2023, in an unobtrusive manner in a significant way? Is Star Atlas DAO a reasonably most certainly wise speculation or truly beautiful worth purchasing in 2023? Which most certainly is very huge in an exceptionally large manner. Will Polis cost basically outperform its record-breaking high? Or so they for the most part certainly thought in a kind of significant manner. These generally are our Star Atlas DAO cost expectations for Polis's future in an exceptionally significant manner, which in every way that really matters is very huge. Star Atlas DAO, Polis, value expectation 2023. As per the Star Atlas DAO gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Polis cost generally is supposed to essentially cross a genuinely normal value level of 12 cents, the normal least value worth of Star Atlas DAO, toward the finish of the reasonably especially current year, ought to in a real sense be 12 cents, which explicitly is very critical in an unpretentious manner. Besides, Polis can explicitly sort of arrive at a quite of greatest value level of 13 cents. Star Atlas DAO value expectation August 2023. The cost of Star Atlas DAO especially basically is in every practical sense truly anticipated to for the most part sort of reach at a by and large sort of least worth of $0.096 in August 2023. Incredibly, the Polis cost could by and large arrive at a very greatest worth of 11 cents, with the kind of essentially normal exchanging worth of 11 cents all through 2023. Exhibiting how besides Polis can in every way that really matters arrive at a very greatest value level of 13 cents. Star Atlas DAO value expectation August 2023. The cost of Star Atlas DAO in a real sense is generally anticipated to reach at a genuinely least worth of $0.096 in August 2023 in a truly significant manner. Star Atlas DAO value expectation September 2023. Star Atlas DAO cost basically generally is supposed to basically generally reach between 11 cents to 11 cents in September 2023, while the sort of typical cost of Polis for the September truly remains around 11 cents. Star Atlas DAO value gauge October 2023. The essentially fundamentally normal cost of Star Atlas DAO, Polis, could in a real sense for the most part go to 11 cents toward the finish of October 2023. Or so they all things considered, sort of thought in a kind of significant manner. Polis could truly be exchanging around a sort of especially most extreme worth of 12 cents, with the kind of least expected cost of 11 cents, in an actually quite significant manner, in spite of mainstream thinking. Polis value estimate November 2023, concerning November 2023. Star Atlas DAO fundamentally is supposed to commonly sort of arrive at least value worth of 11 cents, which especially generally is very huge, or so they really thought. The Polis cost could generally arrive at an in every practical sense, exceptionally most extreme cost of 12 cents, with the in every practical sense, normal cost around 12 cents in an unobtrusive way, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Star Atlas DAO value conjecture December 2023. In December 2023. The cost of Star Atlas DAO especially for the most part is supposed to truly be at around a very exceptionally least of 12 cents in a by and large extremely significant manner, in an exceptionally huge manner. Star Atlas DAO cost can arrive at a kind of limit of 13 cents, with the sort of typical cost of 12 cents in USD. Star Atlas DAO exceptionally lovely past value examination, in the genuinely sort of beyond 24 hours. The crypto sort of has been diminished by 3.34% in its in every practical sense current worth, showing how this generally makes Star Atlas DAO, Polis certainly positioning at 612 in the digital money market in a huge way in a by and large significant manner. Assuming we generally analyze the kind of truly current market cap of the Polis with yesterday's, you can basically generally see that the market cap sort of generally is likewise down, which especially generally is genuinely huge, which truly is very critical. From essentially kind of most recent 7 days, the Polis truly was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 18.52% in a significant manner. Star Atlas Dow truly has shown extremely kind of solid kind of potential recently, and this could be decent, an open door to sort of dive right in and in every practical sense, put resources into a very exceptionally large way in an unobtrusive manner, especially inside the absolute most recent 1 month. The cost of Polis certainly especially diminished by 55.184%. Disposing of an incredible typical amount of 14 cents from its kind of current worth in an unpretentious manner, which most certainly is very critical. This unexpected down generally implies that the coin certainly in a real sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can sort of be a very decent for the most part, especially purchase a valuable open door for reasonably genuinely speedy venture, which generally really is genuinely huge. Star Atlas Dow Value Figure 2023 Facts. What will quite be Star Atlas Dow extremely worth in 2023 in a very significant manner, or so they essentially thought. The Polis value sort of is estimated to explicitly arrive at a kind of greatest degree of 13 cents, with essentially least cost of 12 cents, toward the finish of 2023, or so they explicitly generally thought. Star's Atlas Dow basically have a future, which in a real sense essentially is genuinely huge incredibly. As far as value, Star Atlas Dow certainly explicitly has an exceptional reasonably certainly potential to in a real sense for the most part arrive at new levels, which generally is genuinely critical in a truly significant manner. It in every practical sense is estimate that Polis will increment in esteem, which all things considered, is very huge. As per certainly especially unambiguous specialists and business experts, Star Atlas Dow can explicitly raise a ruckus around town, be in a real sense, the most exorbitant cost of $0.024 till 2030, which sort of is genuinely huge in a fundamentally significant manner. Is Star Atlas Dow certainly beautiful worth purchasing in 2023? Or so they in every practical sense, for the most part thought in an unpretentious manner. Star Atlas Dow's worth in a real sense by and large is supposed to all things considered, keep on growing, as lack will in general vary empower cost rise, which sort of is very huge, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Kindly note, there explicitly truly is a gamble to any interest in a genuinely sort of significant manner, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Only sort of generally put resources into what you can fundamentally achieve prior to arriving at any resolutions and lead the in every practical sense greatest exploration conceivable. So these certainly sort of are our Star Atlas Dow cost expectations for Polis's future, essentially as opposed to mainstream thinking.